Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So today's video is the most demanded video on my channel, the request of which I actually got on all the platforms, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube comments and everywhere. This is the most demanded question that bhaiya, where should I take test series from? This is the most demanded question which I received. So today I will be discussing some points in front of you and telling you the conclusion in the end. So please stay tuned till the end, and this is the most important video for all the JAM 2022 aspirants and also for the future JAM aspirants as well. This is going to be very important. So please stay till the end, subscribe the channel, share the video, and if you are new then please subscribe the channel. Let's get started to the video. So first of all, let me tell you, test series is very important. I cannot emphasize this anymore. Test series is very important. If you are not giving test series that too seriously, you are not going to qualify JAM, that is for sure. So now the question arises, there are various coaching institutes, there are various platforms. So where you should join test series, where you should buy test series from? See, I cannot name specifically someone or some platform. I am listing down some points on the basis of which you can decide where to buy the test series from, and that is going to be very important. But finally I will be giving you the conclusion where you can buy from, or how can you decide finally where to buy from. So the first point is the number of tests should be more. Number of tests should be more. It should not be either 4 or 5 tests. Number of tests should be more, around like more than 10 at least, more than 15 at least. Combining everything, like all the unit tests, 3 topic tests, full test, everything combined, the number of tests should be more than 15, or I would say if they are more than 20, then to excellent. Okay. Now second, because the more and more tests you practice, the more and more tests you practice, the more and more tests you practice, the perfect you will become. Okay, perfect you will become. You will be closer to perfection and you will be performing very well in your JAM examination. Okay, now moving to second point, the questions should be of JAM level. The questions should be of JAM level. They should not be too hard for like CSI, NET or GATE level, and they should not be too easy for class 12th or JEE mains level. Okay, so first of all, level of JAM questions should be very nice, and you can get ideas from like how they are preparing, or any demo sample or anything you can ask from. Level of JAM should be like questions level should be of JAM level, not for NET GATE level high and not of JEE mains level, okay, or board level. Third point is very important, there should be no previous year question, basically no repetition of previous year questions. Basically you will be solving previous year question booklet in the end anyways at any cost, so there should be no repetition of previous year question, otherwise there is no use of buying test series, because you could have solved it in any case in the end. You should get new questions so that you get to know new concepts, you get to apply your brain. Okay, so there should be no previous year questions. Now fourth point is very important. I cannot emphasize on this now. I've already made some videos regarding this. The questions and the test series, all the tests should be in the same pattern as the exam of JAM happens. The interface should be exactly same. The MCQ section, MSQ section, or basically computer based test should be there with the same interface like which appears on the JAM screen, where your question palettes are there, questions are there, sections are there, virtual calculator is there, and timer of the clock timer is there on the screen. The interface should be very same, exactly the same, so that you can familiarize yourself. This is very important. Otherwise, if the like this is not the case, and when you go in the examination hall, the interface will be completely new and you will start panicking. You will be panicked and you will be like tensed a lot, worried a lot. So the interface should be very similar, exactly the same as that you are going to face in JAM examination. Virtual calculator should be there, because there were many of my friends who were not able to use virtual calculator because they had never given a test on virtual calculator. So make sure virtual calculator is there. Okay. Okay, so the next point is first of all, the proper analysis should be provided to you after the test. Your rank, proper analysis, where were you lagging behind, what were your strong and weak points, every proper detailed analysis of your test as well as your score and rank should be provided at the end of the test. Please make sure this rank can be demotivating at some times and can be motivating at some times, but this analysis and rank will be providing you a competitive environment which you can actually pursue as a motivation and succeed in your test series and your JAM exams. Okay, so the analysis should be properly detailed and provided to you at the end of every test. And the next point is very, very important, that detailed solutions should be given to you. Detailed solutions of each and every questions should be given to you either in the video format or in the PDF format or anyway, but it should be given to you, and all your doubts should be clarified regarding that. All your doubts should be clarified regarding that. This is the most important point. Okay, now and another important point can be the test and the solutions and the analysis should remain with you till your examination. Should remain with you till your examination. This should not be the case that today you give the test, tomorrow everything is vanished. Everything should be there with you till the end of your examination, till your JAM examination. Okay, now you must be feeling confused that bhaiya, you have listed all the points, but how to decide where to guide from? Okay, now first of all, listen all these points, note down very carefully, go on YouTube and get to know about various platforms, various coachings or various institutes which are available for IIT JAM. Then go and basically ask your seniors where actually they who has someone who prepared, and go and ask seniors, and also refer to these institutes and ask for these criterias. And the most important point will be according to the previous year results. Check where the previous year results were good, and then ask these criteria, refer to someone, and then you can decide and buy the particular test series. And I will also say, I'm not promoting anyone, and I would also say that test series are very, very important. If you are preparing from self-study, you go and prepare, but definitely buy test series. Give tests very seriously with analysis. Otherwise, there is no use of giving test. And if you follow all these, you will be succeeding a lot and you will be getting a very good rank in JAM examination, I am very sure. Okay, so we will see you in the later video. I hope you have liked the video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel, share the channel, keep supporting. We will see you in the later video. Till then, stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much.